फैंटास्टिक्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? मैं बहुत 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 अच्छी हूँ गाइस, एंड वेलकम टू माय चैनल। So in today's video we are going to make another no Borax slime recipe which is suggested by one of my fantastics, and you guys, oh my god, this recipe I think has like the most potential because this recipe has ingredient which is like I have used it before to make slime and I'm pretty sure like this should work. So I am really excited to try these no Borax recipes. It really helps you guys to make slime at home with literally the ingredients that are already present in your home, and I'm pretty sure most of you guys have this ingredient at your home. Like, I'm so excited. So the shout out goes to my fantastics Lavanya Bhole, and the recipe is try my recipe, it works for sure. So take a bowl, fevicol, and the main ingredient is shaving cream, which now I'll tell you guys why shaving cream is like super nice ingredient to make slime. Now without talking too much, I'm like literally super excited. So now without talking too much, let's get started with today's video. So the shaving foam that I'm going to use today is this Jiggly London one because this is what my father used and this is the only thing that I have at my home. So yeah, so let me show you guys. And the ingredients, boric acid. So most I'm pretty sure each and every shaving cream has this ingredient, boric acid. So this is what is going to help us in making our slime today, and I'm really excited to make the slime. So now let's take our bowl. So this is our bowl, and now let's start making our slime. So first we'll take some fevicol in this bowl. So let's take some fevicol. I'll add 2 to 3 bottles of these fevicols into our bowl. So yeah, let's now add our fevicol. Now one thing that this recipe didn't say is baking soda, and now I have to tell you guys that the boric acid alone does not work. Even in my contact lens solution that I've made, like the DIY contact lens solution, I've added boric acid plus baking soda powder to make that whole contact lens solution. So yeah, now in this mixture we are not going to add like any water or anything because we do not want to alter the recipe, but we are going to add baking soda because that is really essential for the activation process. So now we'll add little bit of baking soda in it, or you guys can make a little DIY activator. So let me show you guys how to make that activator. We'll take some tap water into this, so about this much. And now we'll add the baking soda. Like, this is baking soda, you guys. This is not borax or anything like that. So now we'll add some baking soda into this. So let me show you guys how much you should add. You should add this much of baking soda into this. Just add it. Can you guys even see that? Like, yeah. And mix everything until it is well dissolved. And now we'll take our shaving cream and we'll add a little bit of shaving cream into our activator mixture, and we'll combine it together with the water solution like this. Can you see that? Like, yeah, almost like this. So now our activator mixture is ready. So now we'll add some red food coloring into our fevicol to just make it a bit more visible, and also some yellow to make it reddish orange. And now we'll mix everything together. Now let's mix. Oh my god, this color is literally so pretty. So it's like a pastel orange color. and just make sure that everything is well colored. Now let's just mix everything. So the mixture is ready. So now we should add our activator into this, and let's see if this really works or not. Oh my god, I'm like really excited. So just take the water on the surface and let's start activating our slime. Like, as you guys can see, something is happening, you guys. Our slime is getting activated. Oh my god, you guys can literally see that. Like, wow. Oh my god, can you guys see that? Like, it literally activated so fast. We can just add a little bit more activator and it will activate itself back. At this point you should stop activating and you should, knead it with your hands. Let me remove my ring and we'll knead this. So now at this point you guys need to take it in your hands and just knead the mixture together. As you guys can see, we just need to, knead it with our hands. Oh my god, it's not even focusing, you guys. Okay, so we just need to knead it with our hands now. Like, wow. It has a lot of knots, but it should be just okay by kneading it. So yeah, and you guys can also like always add some lotion and stuff that will remove all the knots, but I like to give it like my heat from my hands and it will just become like super glossy and stuff. So yeah, I'll just be kneading it like this for a little bit and I'll fast forward it for you guys. Oh my god, I've kneaded it so much and it's like super stretchy now. Like, it's so nice, you guys. It has become like so glossy and like, oh my god, it's so pretty. Wow. And you guys can also make it super easily at your home with just shaving cream and with baking soda that is also available in your kitchen. So yeah guys, that is for today's video. Oh my god, this is like so nice and so stretchy. Like, this is one of the most like anticipated recipe and I've been waiting so long to try this recipe. Like, wow, it is worth it. This recipe gets a 10 out of 10. Like, wow. So if you guys like this video and want more these kinds of videos, then make sure to give this video a like. The like goal of this video is 300 likes. So make sure to give this video 300 likes and I'll make more of these amazing videos for you guys. And I'll soon see you guys with another amazing video. Until then, bye bye.